In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch local channels during your YouTube TV free trial. If you're looking to stream news, sports, or shows from your local area, this guide will help you access them easily. Let's get started. To watch local channels on YouTube TV, start by signing up for a free trial at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. During the sign-up process, enter your zip code to see which local channels are available in your area. YouTube TV typically includes major networks like ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in and browse the channel lineup to find live programming from your local affiliates. You can also use the cloud DVR feature to record shows or games for later viewing. If this video helped you learn how to watch local channels during your YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.